guys, welcome back to the channel. Another beautiful day here in Florida, as it's, I think, 40 degrees back home. It's rideable weather here, which is great. Cannot complain with that. Hope everybody's doing well. Downshift sounds so good, man. So we're headed to the car wash right now because this thing, I let it sit outside without a cover for a couple days and it's horrendous. I'm gonna be uploading here weekly. Be sure to be on the lookout every Saturday for a video. So we're back with a clean black. I just got to go back to the place and wipe it down a little bit. It's a shame that Sunday is the only good day this week. I'm just praying for the better weather. If I was back home, it'd be freezing. I'd rather be freezing all the time than be kind of like in between seasons at once. It's just a little added bonus footage. People always tell me that my car's louder than my bike or my bike's louder than my car. We're gonna find out right now.